Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at the family-friendly resort, Riu Palace Riviera Maya. This resort has a luxury feel and typically prices very well for the budget-conscious traveler. I'm going to give you an overview of this resort and talk about the food, entertainment, pools, beach area, and take a tour of the rooms. We'll even talk about the overall vibe and kind of what it's like if you stay here. So let's get started. Riu Palace Riviera Maya is only about 34 miles from Cancun International Airport, making it a fairly close option for those not wanting a long drive to the resort, but also not wanting to stay in the highly touristy area of the hotel zone. This Riu resort is located in Playa Car Resort area and is close to several other Riu properties. If you want to go into town and get that local experience, you're only a couple miles from Playa del Carmen and several shopping areas. So let's take a look at Riu Palace Riviera Maya and what it has to offer. One of my favorite topics is food, and there is plenty to choose from at this resort. For breakfast, you can get a full American breakfast with live cooking station, fruits and juices, all located at the buffet area. They also offer a variety of other dishes like local favorites and assorted snacks. For lunch, they offer options like hot and cold buffet options with live cooking stations. You can get a pizza, pasta, salads, and assorted desserts. They also offer grill options around the pool area, like the burgers and hot dogs. For dinner, you can once again hit up the buffet with the live cooking stations. Now, they do have themed buffets 3 times a week. Now, you're going to have to keep an eye on the menu when you get to the resort to see what those options are and on what days that they're offered. They also have the optional a la carte dining restaurants. At Crystal, you can indulge in a fusion-style cuisine, blending the best of European flavors with Mexican flair. There's a Japanese restaurant serving up authentic Japanese dishes like their popular sushi. You can go to the steakhouse, or if you're feeling like some good pasta, head over to the Italian restaurant for classic pasta dishes and mouth-watering pizzas. For a taste of local cuisine, Agave offers traditional Mexican fare in a vibrant atmosphere. Just a side note here, the Italian restaurant and the Mexican restaurant have a buffet for their starters and their desserts. The rest is all ordered a la carte. I do get asked a lot, what is the dress code for a la carte restaurants at an all-inclusive? Now, I've seen people not obey the dress code and they get in and get a table just fine, while on other nights, I've seen people denied. So, if you want to chance it, then it's probably about a 50-50 shot. Now, they ask for men to wear sleeve shirts, not long sleeve shirts. Just so you know, you can if you want, just not the cutoff or tank tops. They also want the guys to wear long pants and no flip-flops. Ladies, you have to wear, well, basically anything other than a swimsuit. They're pretty lenient with the ladies. If you're looking to wash down your breakfast, lunch, or dinner with a good drink, they have 5 bars to choose from. A couple of these bars serve local and imported beverages 24 hours a day. So if you need that 3 a.m. fix or that early morning Bloody Mary, well, you can get one. Now, let's talk about the entertainment. The Riu Palace Riviera Maya keeps the fun going with nightly shows and live music at the Riu Theater. From energetic dance performances to musical acts, there's always something to keep you entertained well after sunset. Every evening at the Riu Palace, they offer a range of entertainment to ensure a vacation filled with fun and something to do. The Pacha Disco welcomes guests every night, while the renowned Riu Party hosts theme extravaganzas for all Riu hotel patrons in the Playa del Carmen area. This is held once a week at the Riu Tequila Hotel and offers complimentary admission and beverages. If you relish in premier party experiences, then go and experience the Riu Party. With an array of ever-changing shows, be sure to consult the website or inquire upon arrival for the latest updates on show schedules and dates. They do have other evening entertainment at the hotel if you don't want to go to the Riu Party, like live music and daily shows. They even offer entertainment specifically for adults, and even kid-themed entertainment. During the day, you can enjoy things like tennis and pickleball, go snorkeling, paddleboarding, or kayaking. You can even take scuba lessons, or if you're into working out, go and enjoy their on-site fitness room or do fitness group activities. If the kids are looking for something to do, they have kids divided into different age brackets, so the older kids don't get bored and the younger kids actually know what's going on. They have this broke up into children for ages 4 to 7 and 8 to 12 at Riu Land, the kids club area. There's plenty to keep you busy day and night at the Riu Palace Riviera Maya. I mentioned that they do have a gym along with a steam bath and relaxation pool. However, since this is a family-friendly resort, I felt it was probably good to mention that these areas are restricted to guests over the age of 18. Okay, so let's take a look at the pool now. They do have several different pool areas, each offering its own unique vibe. A couple of the pools do have swim-up bars, and those that don't, they have waiters that do come around and take your drink order. There are several chairs and loungers around the pool areas, so it's a little easier to find a chair if you're looking for somewhere to relax. The resort hosts daily poolside activities like water aerobics, volleyball tournaments, and pool games. It's a perfect way to stay active while soaking up the sun. The beach area was really nice. They did not have a lot of seaweed when we were there. They still had some, but not to the extent of some resorts. This was a large beach area with lots of beach chairs. They didn't have any chairs with covers or umbrellas. They said that they let the trees provide natural cover for the chairs. The only thing that I did find really annoying was the beach vendors. As soon as you stepped onto the beach, they were trying to sell you something. But overall, it was a good time. Okay, so let's take a look at the rooms. Riu Palace Riviera Maya typically offers a variety of room categories to suit different preferences and budgets, ranging from standard rooms to suites with additional amenities and services. The rooms are often spacious, allowing guests plenty of room to move around and relax. They're designed with modern furnishings and decor, often reflecting a blend of contemporary and local styles. The beds are comfortable, and the sheets are made of a higher quality fabric, helping you get a restful night's sleep after a day of exploring or lounging by the pool. Rooms are equipped with amenities like, air conditioning, thank goodness, flat screen TVs, coffee makers, and mini bars, which are stocked daily. The bathrooms are often spacious and feature modern fixtures including rainfall showers and even sometimes a jacuzzi tub. Some rooms might offer additional luxury touches like bathrobes, slippers, and premium toiletries, helping to enhance the overall experience. Overall, the rooms at Riu Palace Riviera Maya are nice and seem to be well kept. So I mentioned some of the things that the kids can do earlier, so let's dive a little bit deeper into that. The youngest members of the family also have special entertainment options at Riu Palace, thanks to Riu Land. This is what they call their kids program. They have things like a children's pool with water slides and tons of outdoor activities. And don't let the little ones miss out on meeting Kalu. He's the friendly sea turtle. Kalu helps the staff with the entertainment and activities for the children. Riu Land Kids Areas offers a full program of children's entertainment every day. So what else is there to do around this area? Well, with Riu Palace located so close to Cancun area, there's plenty of excursion opportunities for the whole family. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient Mayan ruins, swimming in cenotes, or embarking on a thrilling jungle adventure, the Riviera Maya offers endless opportunities that's really not that far away. So what's the overall vibe of Riu Palace Riviera Maya? Well, I found a good combination of fun and entertaining and relaxation. This resort is large enough that it's easy to get away from the loud pool activities and relocate to a more quieter area when those are going on. If you're coming here but don't want a lot of rowdy kids, well, it might be hit and miss. This is a family-friendly resort, so the possibility is there, but I didn't notice this being an issue when I visited. I think overall, anyone, couple or family, could have a good time at this resort. Just remember, this is a budget-friendly resort, Well, that is towards the top end of the budget-friendly resort category. If you're wanting a resort that doesn't break the bank, but gives you that introduction to luxury and is still family-friendly, then this resort could be for you. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a little bit of both, this resort really does have it all. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next adventure.